Greetings from Södersved in Värmdö. Yes, you can see the Swedish flag right there. I'm in Sweden, obviously. And it is 12th of July 2025, beach day number 57 on my Sweden beach adventures. And on my way here, after I got off the bus at Södersved, which is around 2 kilometers away from here, it started to rain. But now the rain has stopped because, as I'm always saying, the rain in Sweden, especially in Stockholm, it is very light rain and not so heavy. It rains a bit more on the west coast for sure. But yeah, it's super cloudy day despite having some few rays of sunshine this morning. But I was doing a body pump session this morning, so I couldn't be out that early. So right now it is 3:30 p.m. and it's time for yet another beach adventure with Kris on the sea. Yes, I'm really on a streak to be swimming in the sea. And Södersved is a beach that I'm visiting once every year, and this year is not an exception. It's located in Värmdö at the very beginning, actually, closer to Slusen, I would say, as the bus ride is only 20 minutes to get here. I usually take the same bus to go to the end of Värmdö, which is Björnö, but the weather today was not so promising to do that. Here we have huge green area, and I have been on this beach when it was super hot and it was full with people everywhere. What's so special about this place is that the water is usually warm, even on a cold day and non-sunny day. And you can see it is so clean and clear, the water over here. So let's check out the temperature of the water while I'm showing you the jetty, and there is even a floating jetty inside the sea. Yes, despite the look of this, even though it may look like lake, it is actually sea 100% because Värmdö is on the sea. And I was right, we have 18 degrees Celsius in the sea. That is the same as in the air, which means that after this episode I'm gonna be swimming a lot longer for sure, as here we have a bit of a closed surface and it is not so many waves come here for sure. So let's then get going and get onto the floating jetty to jump into the sea for sure. Here we have the jetty and the super crystal water that you can see. The platform is rather in concrete. Here it's very unusual as most of these are made of tree, but you can see how also the sandy part of the beach is beautiful, and there is even a mini golf to play here, and even a camping. Oh, they have had here a water temperature measurement also. Let's see if this is the same as mine. Yes, it's 18 on this one, so mine is correct for sure. From here we can look all the way to Havsbad, where I am usually also going for a swim. So now let's go in for a swim. And let's jump into the water and swim over to that floating jetty over there. Let's go. Oh my god, the water is amazing. The water is so warm, as it is the same temperature as in the air. And now it started to rain suddenly. I was actually waiting for them kids to evacuate the jumping platform so I can film in peace and quiet. And it's gonna be so nice to make a jump into water while it is raining. And as you can see, we have light rain. That is the rain of type that we have in Stockholm. And it looks spectacular indeed. It's going to rain even more, and I should have put something over my backpack, but it is what it is. So this is the jumping platform. It has 3 heights in it. So let's jump from the highest one. I think this is 5 meters maybe, or similar. Absolut! Ja, precis. Exakt. Exakt. Och nu kör vi. That was amazing. That was amazing indeed. Beach adventures with Kris. I then got some fans here on the beach. Yeah, it's so amazing to be able. Maybe later. I have to finish the video. So yeah, I have some fans now on the beach. That's why. But it's so amazing with the rain right now. It feels so spectacular indeed to be able to take a swim. So yeah, that is the beach adventure here from Södersved on this 12th of July. Let's go in once again to see how it is under the water. And yeah, now it's time for me to swim in the rain. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Södersved on this rainy Saturday, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.